Let's take a look here at what is data modeling. And so let's answer what is a data model. This is an abstract model that organizes elements of data and standardizes how they relate to one another and to the properties of the real world entities. A data model can be a relational database that contains many tables, as the example here on the right hand side. A data model could be conceptual, so how data is represented at the organization level abstractly without con- concretely defining how it works in the software. So think people, orders, projects, relationships. It could be logical, so how data is presented in software, so tables and columns, object-oriented classes. Physical, so how data is physically stored, such as partitions, CPUs, and table spaces. We had another definition for what a model was when we were trying to describe what machine learning models are, but I'm just giving you another perspective from the data perspective of what that could be. So what is data modeling? So this is the process used to define and analyze data requirements needed to support the business processes within the scope of corresponding information systems and organizations. And so there is this very complex diagram here that kind of shows you what data modeling could look like. But yeah, there you go, okay?